Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy baby blanket pattern. The front view of that and the back view are the same. This pattern is only 2 rows repeated and it's very nice for blankets, shawls, pillows and everything you want. If you're ready, let's get started. I start my work with a slip knot and then chain in a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And repeat these groups of 3 chains until you reach the desired width for the pattern. I made 36 chains and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain and then make 1 double crochet into next chain. Again, yarn over and insert hook into same chain and make another double crochet and repeat that one more time. I made 3 double crochet into same chain. Then skip next 2 chains and go to the next and repeat that work. Make 3 double crochet into that. 1, 2 and 3. Skip 2 chain and go to next chain and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Again, skip 1 and 2 chain and make 3 double crochet into the next. 1, 2 and 3 and repeat that work until the end. Now I'm at the end. Skip next 2 chains and make 1 double crochet into last chain. And row 1 is finished. Now start row 2 with 3 chain as first double crochet and turn the work. In this row we have to make stitches into these spaces between each group and the next group here. The first space is here between the first double crochet and first group. Skip that and go to the second space, insert hook into that and yarn over, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn over, insert hook into same space and yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through first 4, then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make a chain and go back to this skipped space, yarn over, insert hook into that and yarn over, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn over, insert hook into same space and yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 4 loops on the hook and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is the first pattern of this row, row 2, and we have to repeat that. Go to next space, skip that and go to the next here, 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through first 4 loops and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make a chain and go back to this space and repeat that work. 1 and 2. Pull through all loops and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Again, repeat that work. Skip this space, go to the next, 1 and 2. Make a chain and go back to skipped space here and repeat that work. And continue this work until the end. Skip this space, go to the next and make 1 puff stitch and again go to skip space here and repeat that work. 1 and 2. And we have to repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 2 and I have to repeat this work into this space. Skip that and go to next space after last group of 3 doubles, and then make a chain and go back to this skipped space and repeat that work 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and now make 1 double crochet into these beginning chains of the previous row. And row 2 is finished. Make 3 chain and turn the work. In this row we have to make groups of 3 doubles into this chain 1 space between these 2 puff stitches. Yarn over, insert hook into this chain 1 space and make 1 double crochet again, 1 double crochet into same space, and for last time make 1 double crochet. I made 3 double crochet, then go to next chain 1 space between these 2 puff stitches here and make 3 doubles here, 1, 2 and 3. Again, go to next pattern and make 3 double into this chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat that work. Go to next pattern here and make 3 double into this chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat that work. Make 3 double into each chain 1 space. At the end of row 3, after last group of 3 double, make 1 double crochet into third chain of turning chain of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Again, make 3 chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. Skip this space between first double and first group, go to second space and make 1 puff stitch here, then make a chain and go back to skipped space and make 1 puff stitch into that. Skip this space, go to the next and repeat that work. Make 1 puff stitch here, 1 chain and go back to skipped space and make 1 puff stitch here. One more time, skip this space, go to the next, make 1 puff stitch, 1 chain and make 1 puff stitch into skipped space, and continue this work until the end, and at the end make 1 double crochet into last stitch, that's turning chains, and then repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3. These 2 rows should be repeated until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows and this is my pattern at the end. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.